Hello students, this is going to be our video for Unit 1, Beginner's Book, Grammar. Let's begin. Today we're going to see two grammar items. The first one is plural nouns and the second one is the expression what's. Pay a lot of attention and play the video more than one time if you think it's necessary. Okay, plural nouns are very simple in their form. For example, we have rule number 1, the S ending. It's just like in Spanish. We only insert a letter S at the end of the word. Please repeat after me. Car, cars, cars, cars. Chair, chairs, chairs, chairs. Table, tables, tables, tables. Window, windows, windows, windows. Let's continue. Now, rule number 2 is when a noun already has a s or a ch or a x sound. What we're going to do is we're going to insert or add the ending s. And this is the result. Repeat after me. Bus, buses, buses, buses. Watch, watches, watches, watches. Box, boxes, boxes, boxes. Dress, dresses, dresses, dresses. Case, cases, cases, cases. Let's continue. Now, the third rule applies when a noun has its ending in y. As you can notice, all these three words end in the letter y. When that happens, what we do is we add, we're going to remove the y and we're going to put letter I. And then we're going to write ES. Okay, let's look at this. Please repeat after me. Candy, 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 candies, candies, candies. City, cities, cities, cities. Baby, babies, babies, babies. Let's continue. Here are some examples of plural nouns expressed in a sentence in English. If possible, please repeat after me. Number 1. Kids love... Oh, little mistake there. Kids love candies. Kids love candies. Kids love candies. As you can see, here is our new word in plural form. Number 2. Buses and taxis are very common in the city. Buses and taxis are very common in the city. And here we have 2 of our plural nouns. Let's continue. Guadalajara and Monterrey are important cities in Mexico. Guadalajara and Monterrey are important cities in Mexico. As you can notice, here we have our plural noun, cities. One final one. My mom has many dresses in her closet. My mom has many dresses in her closet. And here is our plural noun. Let's move on. The second item we're going to review today is the expression what's, which is actually the combination of what and is. Let's begin. Okay, here are some examples of this. For example, what's your name? What's your name? In this case, we're asking about somebody's name. The answer will have to be, my name is Emmanuel. Another way to use the expression what's is like this. It's when we ask about a person's telephone number. And the question is, what's your phone number? What's your phone number? A possible answer can be, it's 555-123-123. Another, for example, what's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? In this question, we're asking about preference. A possible answer to this might be, my favorite movie is Avengers. My favorite movie is Avengers. Okay, we're about to finish this video today. Don't forget, I'm going to give you some tips that you will need, that will be necessary for you in your English course. Always consult your teacher if you have more questions. Also, and very, very important, practice, practice, and practice. Before we finish, let's recap a little bit about this. Remember that we are starting our beginner's book, and this book is about the grammar of Unit 1. Today, we saw plural nouns and the expression what's. Plural nouns have 1, 2, 3 forms. The first one, we only put the letter S at the end of the noun. For example, cars, chairs, tables, and windows. There's another ending, which is the ES ending, like in these examples. Examples are buses, watches, boxes, dresses, and cases. Don't forget that this is when the last sound is S, Ch, or X. Ask your teacher for more explanation if necessary. The third rule is the IES ending. This normally applies when a noun has the Y ending. We remove the Y and then put IES. For example, candies, cities, and babies. We saw some examples there, and we also saw the expression what's, which is nothing but what is. We can use it to express or ask about someone's name. For example, what's your name? My name is Emmanuel. We can ask about somebody's number. For example, what's your phone number? It's 555-123-123. Also about preference, what's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Avengers. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.